Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of compact computing with the HP EliteDesk 800G3 mini business PC. This sleek and powerful machine boasts an Intel i5-7500T quad-core processor, capable of turbo boosting up to 3.30 GHz, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient performance for your business needs. Equipped with 8 GB of memory and a speedy 256 GB PCIe solid-state storage, this mini PC delivers snappy responsiveness and ample space for your essential files and applications. Whether you're crunching numbers, drafting reports, or running presentations, the EliteDesk 800G3 has got you covered. Connectivity options abound with Gigabit Ethernet, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth capabilities, ensuring seamless integration into your existing network setup. Need to hook up multiple displays? No problem. The Intel HD 630 graphics provide crisp visuals and support for dual monitors, enhancing your productivity workflow. One of the standout features of this mini PC is its compact design, making it an ideal space-saving solution for modern workspaces. Whether tucked away behind a monitor or mounted on the back of your desk, the EliteDesk 800G3 blends seamlessly into any environment without sacrificing performance. Running on Windows 10 Pro 64, you'll have access to all the productivity and security features you need to stay focused and protected throughout your workday. From enhanced data encryption to built-in antivirus software, HP has your back when it comes to safeguarding your sensitive information. In summary, the HP EliteDesk 800G3 mini business PC packs a punch in a compact package. With its powerful performance, versatile connectivity options, and space-saving design, it's a solid choice for businesses looking to optimize their workspace without compromising on functionality. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, this mini PC is sure to meet your business needs with flying colors. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.